I should have had my phone before, but he's here.
So the box is here. Beautiful box.
Beautiful box footage.
That's right. Let me grab it first.
No?
You can record. You can record that note.
I am.
White man got my black booty. All right. So this is the box we ordered.
This is an unofficial opening of the box. Well, it's official because we opening it.
Yeah, we couldn't wait to open it.
But we purchased this.
Two balls.
And it's supposed to be uninspected returns of clothing.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay everything out, but we're not gonna take nothing out the bag. Now what this is, it was brand new.
Size and see. What? Got a tag on it and everything, y'all.
I'm gonna put it over here.
Okay, so this box is supposed to have how many items?
74.
74 items.
That's the pajama.
And we paid 153. And that's including shipping. The shipping was $30, right?
Yeah, right.
So
that's a pajama set. Well, I'm gonna look for the manifest list in a minute.
okay. So we'll be back after we pull everything out.
Right. What is that? What?
Okay. Okay, so we're like halfway through the box. This isn't even the whole box.
Right.
And we're trying to put everything in categories. And then I'm going to put everything in my closet. But, yeah.
I think these are like, I think these are pleather
So these
or leather.
items, most of the items are new with tags. And look at that. So cool.
What this is, babe?
We have to go through everything.
Right, we will have to go through everything. These are like sweat.
But okay, so potentially, we paid $153, and looks like now, we're making about $3,000 off of this box.
Well, I'm going 15 to 25.
Okay, 25.
Because
you wanna see.
But hey, if you're passionate.
But I feel like we can make three.
I'm with you with the three. I ain't gonna lie now. I wanted to do three.
See, it's still more in the box, and I'm gonna be posting everything on my Poshmark. I may do a
Don't be showing my butt crack.
subsequent video of how I post everything, and this is cute. And
I don't know what this is.
take you guys on the Poshmark journey.
I don't know what this is.
We shall see. I just like that everything is in a bag already. It doesn't say. I have to open it. But yeah, I'm gonna open up everything and take you guys on this bulk box unboxing journey. Okay, so we finally made it to the end of the box. This is what the couch looks like. Empty box. So we're gonna continue this video later on.
We gotta go pay the bills.
Yeah, we gotta go pay the bills. But this whole box was $153 again, and the potential profit is anywhere between $1,500 and like $3,000.
Right.
So.
Because we're marking everything.
Awesome sauce. Yep. So.
Can't wait.
Can't wait to start posting. This is cute.
Let's see. Look, these bags got sticky on them. Let's see what this is. I'm not gonna be able to roll this back up.
It's a sweater.
That's what it is?
Mm-hmm. It's a long cardigan. Okay, so that's is it new with tags or no?
Yeah, it's new with tags, I think.
Okay.
No, there's no tags on it.
No tag on it. Let's see.
It don't have, I'm looking for holes and stuff.
And it's no holes in it?
No holes so far.
I'm sorry for the blurriness of it all.
Right, y'all, because we just excited. We
so excited. Who is this? Be Unique.
Be Unique.
All right.
Be Unique John.
So, Yeah.
Wow.
I may take some time later and pull everything out and like go through everything, or at least a few of the items, and price them out and post them.
You might want to call your sister.
So yeah, this will be fun. Thanks for watching.
You might want to call your sister.
Bye.
This is new too.
Oh. What's that, a dress? How you say dress in Spanish?
Do I look like a Spanish person?
I'm trying to learn Spanish.
Oh, this is big one.
Okay. I look like my mama.
Your mama ain't this motherfucking big.
I know, but she wears stuff like this.
Oh.
Because she thinks she be, you know.
But it's nice.
Still
The
cute.
material. The material feel nice.
Okay.
I never heard of that
man.
name before.
Hot something.
Yeah.
Hot.
But she
Edition.
might, because it's back.
It's a 2X. She might. I don't know, though.
Yeah, your mama don't wear,
She don't, you know.
she don't wear for you.
She's a woman of the Lord. She stay covered up. Any hoozles. That was fun.
We know you ain't.
So, okay. So, you want to say anything?
Yeah, thank you everybody, and we appreciate you guys staying with us and y'all support. We've been waiting to do a video, but we was waiting on our box to get here. We was waiting on a couple things. I was waiting on my Simberg. Because of the holidays, we kind of been behind, but there's no excuse why we didn't make a video. We just haven't had time. We've been house hunting, trying to get everything together for the holidays, trying to secure jobs, and boom, we finally get around to making a video. We wanted to make one the day after New Year's for you guys. So here we are today with our new box, and we're gonna take y'all through almost everything in here. And this is our new investment for this year. We are trying something new. We're gonna try to make her Poshmark blow up. So I'm all on board for the Poshmark. I see how fast the money rolls in.
Yeah.
Anyway, but I'm going to get dressed. Then we're going to meet up with you guys. The only reason we like this because the box just came in. We excited.
Yeah.
And we don't want no vandals out there stealing our box. And our box is heavy as hell. But them jokers that be riding out the street on the
bicycle.
anyway, you guys, love you guys. Please hit that bell and subscribe. Thank you.
What's your thing you say you're going to start saying? Eat something good.
Yeah, and eat something good. Always eat something good, guys. That's what I love to say to people. That's what I'm going to say to people this year. Eat something good. Oh, wow.
Okay. We'll be back.
Okay, be back.
Bye. Boom.